Have you ever thought about what happens when you ride a bike? Where does the energy that makes the bike move come from?
Similarly, where does a flashlight like this get its energy?
When building your generator, we recommend focusing on simply measuring volts first. To measure volts, make sure your multimeter cords are plugged into the bottom and middle port on your multimeter. Then, turn the dial to the V section marked 20. Put your test leads to your battery, industrial strength, 9.62 volts.
Not bad for a 9-volt.
When doing this lesson, keep this question in mind. Your 9-volt battery is powering your first motor, but where does your second motor get the energy that makes it spin? Think back to riding your bicycle. When you pedal the bicycle, you're transferring energy from your body into the bike to make the bike move forward.
Again, similarly to this flashlight, I'm using energy from my body to turn the crank. That's making the light turn on. The faster I crank, the more the light turns on.
So one thing you were looking at today was energy transfer. So in your generator system, you used a 9-volt, transferred energy from it to your first motor, spinning the first motor, which then spun the gear pulley, which spins the second motor and generates electricity, which you could read with your multimeter. This whole system is a circuit.
So circuits need to be closed in order to work, which may sound odd, but it's kind of like this drawbridge. If the circuit is open, it's not connected, nothing can get through. The cars can't get through, electricity can't get through the circuit. The circuit is closed and there's a loop, the electricity can get through and power the motor.
So what is electricity? Electricity is really small charged particles, so small that we can't see them with the naked eye, but you can measure them with your multimeter. So thinking about that drawbridge, the easiest way to remember it is that open is off, close is on. So when you turn a light switch on, you're closing that circuit and the electricity can flow right through. When you turn the light switch off, you've opened it and there's no path for those little particles to travel across.
Just like with the flashlight, the faster we spin the motor shaft and crank it faster, the more electricity is produced, which you can see on the multimeter.